Motus Commercials is seeking new talent to join its vast network. Whether you're just starting out or you're an industry veteran, we're sure to have the perfect fit for you. Here's some background about us. Motus Commercials is the largest commercial vehicle dealership in the UK, with nationwide locations which are grouped into 9 regions. We are proud to have an impressive lineup of manufacturer partners whose vehicles we sell, service and maintain across our network. DAF trucks are the staple of our business, and we're proud to be a part of the UK's most successful truck manufacturer network. DAF Trucks has held the position of UK market leader for 27 years and continues to achieve the most sought-after industry awards year after year, like International Truck of the Year 2022, achieved by the new generation DAF. At Motus Commercials, we live by our company values and behaviours in all that we do, day in, day out. We also continually support our colleagues with various training and development opportunities, and at a personal level too, with a huge focus on mental health and well-being. We currently employ over 1,300 people at Motus Commercials, and we're expanding. We're looking for experienced HGV technicians across our network. As the bread and butter of our business, technicians hold a huge amount of respect for helping to keep our customers' vehicles on the road. We try to make their working lives as pleasant as possible, with warm and clean workshops, great facilities, industry-leading parts availability, great shift flexibility, and competitive salaries with overtime available. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what one of our technicians at Motus Commercials Avonmouth had to say.
I enjoy working here. Motus take really good care of us. I get on with everybody I work with in the workshop, and also all the different colleagues that I come across in different depots. It's a really good place to work.
So what are you waiting for? Join our team today and start your Motus Commercials career.